backyard with the camper van in the background on a Sunday morning. Don't know what Stephen's doing over there, but he's always doing something in his garden. He's an avid gardener.
I'm holding up my tomato plants.
Oh, is that what you're doing? We just made a herb box to put in our camper so we can take fresh herbs with us when we're cooking. Because our plan is to share some of our cooking, because we enjoy cooking and we enjoy gardening and we enjoy seeing new things. I think that's a perfect combination. Do you think so, Stephen?
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Stephen's just falling over, but that's okay.
I'm just pulling a pot steak out.
He's just pulling a steak out.
There you go.
Everything's alright. There's the steak. He's going to steak up his tomatoes. He's getting a good crop of tomatoes this year.
So, we have a problem. Our problem is our tomato plants keep getting bigger and bigger. So I've got to put something across the top here that actually I can support the tomato plants as they grow up.
Bit low, you say?
Yeah, I've just got to get it level a bit, that's all. Just need another cable tie around.
Good old cable ties.
Oh yeah. Amazing bit of kit, obviously. Very useful for everything and lots of stuff.
Yeah.
It's a bit level.
Yeah.
Yep. So yes, so basically just cable tie this to the pole and just put the old screen door, what's left of the screen door around, and just tie it off here. And Bob's your uncle if you've got an Uncle Bob. So now this goes up like so.
Jeez.
Like so.
Alright.
And then you can tie your tomatoes up to the individual little things here.
Okay.
Now this one here is going berserk. And it's got, it's even got
Tomatoes.
tomatoes in there. Let's see. Yeah. Beautiful.
Juicy.
It's an old screen door that we got rid of and replaced it with a new one. So you know, so comes in handy for staking up the tomatoes. See, that's so now I can probably bring that up, tie that off around there. That can probably come off, that one. As they grow up, you don't need them that big. And then all the growth comes up here, and cut most of this bottom growth off because it produces more fruit up top, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What I did the other day was put, what's it called? Baking soda mixture in the big hopper can, and poured that round the base of each one. So that's apparently supposed to give you a better crop of tomatoes as well.
So did you mix the baking powder?
Baking soda in with a big 2 litre, 4 litre of water, and just swished it around and poured it around the base of each tomato plant around here.
So we'll see if that
supposed to give you good crops, a good harvest sort of thing. So you know, you're going to see a lot more of this. Today we're going to plant some kale, which we've actually got seed from our previous kale crop. So there you can see all the seed there. So we're going to sow that in this bed here. So we've just got to move some of this. Get a lot of mint grows like it's going out of fashion. So we're just moving a bit of mint out of the way to put the kale seed in. if you don't move it out of the way, the mint will grow up in between the kale, which is okay, but you know, at the end of the day, you just want to keep it a bit of a clear bed, that's all. Still plenty of worms in the soil, being full on summer, so not too bad. Yeah, so that's pretty good.
So you've got some spare potting mix which you're going to put in there.
Yeah, well, this is just another bag we had laying around.
Yeah.
I was going to put that in just to, if anything, just provide a bit more mulch in the bed itself. And just break that down, so to speak. And now on top of that, we've got old cooked manure.
Yeah.
Which is great. Yeah, it's great for tomatoes, as you can see. The tomatoes love chook manure. I'm just going to want him just throw some of that in there. Because it's the nitrogen content in the chook's manure, which is good for the tomato plant. Feeds it. Make a couple of half round trenches like that. Just throw the seed in those little half round trenches. Still got to mix a bit of some of the dried where the seed pods are in there, but that's okay. That's just gives it a good mulch. So there's the seed going in there, and then just follow that line round like so. A bit more. Just follow that round there. Seed in there, and then just cover that line up as you go along. So another one inside. And through there. And then maybe just the last of it, just dump it in there, like so. Cover it up. Done.
What do we mostly use kale for, Stephen?
Kale chips. Well, kale's a very versatile vegetable. It's used in a lot of countries. Salads, lots of different dishes from Europe, Middle East. Now I think Asia uses kale. I'm not sure, but yeah, no, it's one of those veggies that you either like it or you hate it. Depends on how it's cooked.
True.
Kale chips are good when you have a beer.
So should we harvest one of our crops of kale?
Well, we do have a crop of kale that we can actually go and cut a few bits off and go and make some kale chips with our lovely fresh tomatoes that we've just picked from our tomato bush. Walk this way. So there's lots of kale chips here to be had. Just harvest the top ones or the side ones. Just throw some olive oil in the pan or in the oven or whatever, and you just leave them in there until they go crispy, basically.
Well, we're going to have a go in the baby Weber, aren't we?
Well, sorry, yes, we are going to put them in the baby Weber, yes.
See how we go.
See how we go. But I dare say that's enough, isn't it?
Yeah, for our chips.
I've been swallowed by the rhubarb. Come inside, look.
Oh no, it's huge.
Look at the rhubarb, look at that. Look at that. What a magnificent crop. You know. Look at that, what a magnificent crop.
And the leaves
amazing.
Enormous.
So, we've sort of got to cut the out one, do the lower ones first.
I know.
So you.
I actually cook these and put it on my porridge.
I know.
In the morning.
Can you hold that big leaf out back there?
Yes.
That one?
Yeah. Big beetle.
Right, I'm going to go down.
Stephen, hang on a minute.
Where? What? That's a cockroach. Jesus Christ. Bloody hell. That's the good thing about rhubarb. A lot of the bugs, as much as the snails like it, they only like it for cover. Because they do not eat it. Right? Look at this beautiful rhubarb. Stunning. Just trying to keep the fresh ones fresh.
Yeah.
I can't believe how good this is.
I know. Wow. Just the big leaves, amazing. You've got a big leaf.
Look at that, that's one that's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, the leaf just turning, but there's still nothing wrong with it.
Can you see it? Find a really big leaf.
No, that's
Enormous.
a big leaf there.
Yeah.
And there, look at that one. Look, that's huge. Look at that, that's huge. That's nearly a metre wide. Well, from top end to top end, yeah.
Yeah.
Good mulch, that's for sure. Rhubarb leaves make good mulch.
Yes.
They break down next to nothing.
Pumpkin. Mint again. Pumpkin. That's our herb box. Lettuce, beetroot, big beetroot in there.
So yeah, once you've planted the seeds, just give it a water it in. It's just a little box of plants we put together, so put it in the van. So that seems to be working alright. Do an experiment.
Yeah. Carrots. And you've got capers on the end.
Capers, yeah, capers over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Celery. Parsley, yes.
Yeah.
Rosemary, bay leaves, and is it shallots?
No, that's red odorless onion, I think.
Oh, red odorless onion. Okay. Oh shit! This is not a good one. Need a better one.